He said, yo, 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 this your boy Joe Chicago, Joe Boy. Right now, I'm finna get into that celebrity improv with Mike Lawrence, DMX, Ja Rule, Michael Jackson, Lil Jon, Prince, and Mr. T. But if I get to my man Mike Lawrence, you my motherfucking OG. You my motherfucking t-shirt. Right now, I'm finna get into that DMX improv. Yo, my niggas ride all night. This DMX. Yo, my niggas ride all night. This motherfucking DMX. Now I'm gonna get into that Ja Rule. Holla, holla, this motherfucking Ja Rule. DMX beat my ass right now like a little bitch. Right now I'm into that Michael Jackson improv. This Michael Jackson. I'm the king of pop. My daddy molested me. He made me a little boy. He beat my ass and everything. I'm the king of pop. I'm Michael Jackson. They beat my ass. I'm forgetting into that Lil Jon. Yeah, okay, Lil Jon East Side boy. Yeah, I'm down in Atlanta. Yeah, they beat my ass. I'm the king of crunk. Yeah. Right now I'm into that little Prince improv. Baby, I'm so alone with you. This Prince. Michael Jackson beat my ass. Right now I'm into that Mr. T. Yo, this Mr. T. I'm Petty Food to Mr. T. I'm beat your ass. I'm Petty Food to Mr. T. I'm back from Chicago. I'm a little in Mr. T. Me the Petty Food, Mr. T. I'm beat your motherfucking ass. Motherfucking ass. I'm Mr. T. This your boy Chicago Joe. I'm up.